In this section, we're going to talk about compressed air. So most MultiCam CNC routers have a requirement for clean, dry air at 100 psi with a range of about 4 to 8 CFM typically. Now, your exacting specifications will be provided to you during your sales and ordering process. MultiCam recommends that you have a system that's provided that will do the 100 psi at about 1.5 to 2 times the CFM requirement. So for an example, if your machine is a 100 psi 6 CFM requirement, then you should have a system that can do about 10 to 12 CFM. This provides you a couple of advantages. One, it saves you an energy cost because the system doesn't have to run as long or as often to maintain that 100 psi. Also, another advantage is your system is large enough that you can provide maybe a blow-off tool for your operator or a hand-operated air tool for your fabrications and production system. There's a couple of questions that we often get from our customers who may be looking to purchase a compressed air system for meeting the MultiCam CFM requirements. The first question we often get is, how large of a system or how many horsepower do I need to meet this minimum requirement? MultiCam recommends that you contact a compressed air specialist who can guide you through the right style, horsepower, and auxiliary equipment needed to provide clean, dry air to your MultiCam system. So the second question we often get is, what accessory equipment is needed to provide this clean, dry air? So clean air is the removal of particulates, of solids, oils, and any humidity out of your compressed air line at the same level that you would expect a professional painter to spray a car. So the key phrase that you want to be communicating with your compressed air specialist is paint booth quality air, and they will consult you on the exact accessory equipment needed to provide it. Now we need to take your clean, dry air from your system and get it into the MultiCam CNC router. If you look in your packing materials, you're going to find a box that will have a compressed air regulator. This regulator will come in with a slip fit fitting and a 10mm hose found in your toolbox, as well as a slip fit fitting. When you put these together, it is now ready for the customer supply line.
MultiCam asks its customers to provide the proper air fitting from their compressed air line over to the air regulator. Most customers choose to use a quick disconnect fitting matching their compressed air line system. However, you are more than welcome to hardline into the regulator as well.